Every week, more than 6,600 vacationers set sail aboard the largest cruise ship, the Wonder of the Seas, and their dining needs are nothing short of extraordinary. With multiple meals and snacks available throughout the day, feeding up to 7,600 passengers and 2,300 crew members requires meticulous planning and a dedicated team. To meet this colossal demand, a culinary team of over 1,300 staff members works tirelessly, stocking, preparing, and serving an astounding number of meals from the ship's compact, yet fully functional kitchens. These kitchens operate 24/7, producing more than 30,000 meals daily, all while navigating the challenges of a moving vessel. So, how does all this food make it to the plate? Let's follow Captain Discovery on this special episode. Inside the 24/7 operation to serve 30,000 meals daily on the world's largest cruise ship. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys from around the world. The Wonder of the Seas stands as the largest and most innovative cruise ship in Royal Caribbean International's fleet, redefining luxury cruising. Measuring approximately 1,188 feet and boasting a gross tonnage of about 236,857 tons. This colossal vessel can accommodate up to 6,988 passengers and 2,300 crew members, making it a floating city of grandeur and comfort. On board, guests can indulge in a diverse range of dining options, from specialty restaurants like Chop's Grill, Giovanni's Italian Kitchen and Wine Bar, and Izumi Hibachi and Sushi, to casual dining at the Windjammer Marketplace Buffet and Park Cafe. The ship also offers a variety of entertainment choices, including Broadway-style shows, spectacular ice skating performances, and live music across multiple venues.
When a diver hits the water, it could be totally different from where they intended to when they left the platform. If conditions are too bad, say high winds or a rainstorm with lightning,
Recreational facilities aboard the Wonder of the Seas include numerous pools, water slides like the Ultimate Abyss, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and a rock climbing wall. For relaxation, the ship features Central Park, an open-air space with real trees and gardens, and a lively boardwalk area with attractions such as a carousel and boardwalk games. The Royal Promenade adds to the vibrant atmosphere with its shops and cafes. Accommodation options range from interior staterooms to luxurious suites, including the expansive Royal Loft Suite with private balconies. Families can enjoy specially designed family suites, while the Vitality Spa offers a range of treatments and wellness classes. Before we start, here's the Discovery Challenge about Crocs. The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comments below now. On turnaround day, typically a Saturday, the Wonder of the Seas undergoes a massive logistical operation to restock food and supplies for its upcoming voyage. This day is particularly hectic, as new provisions are delivered to Deck 2 of the ship. An inventory manager responsible for supplying the ship's 23 different restaurants oversees the ordering process. With a weekly shopping budget of $1 million, the manager tweaks orders based on the expected passenger demographics. More children, for example, would result in increased orders for kid-friendly items, like chicken fingers. By 4 p.m., 30 trucks arrive at Miami Port carrying 500 pallets of inventory, including over 600,000 pounds of food and drinks. Any delay could impact the ship's scheduled departure. The inventory ranges from basic ingredients like flour and butter to fresh produce and meats. All supplies are loaded through a central passageway on Deck 2, referred to as I-95, which stretches from the front to the back of the ship, connecting stockrooms, prep rooms, and kitchens, also known as galleys. Shipments are meticulously planned based on historical data of passenger preferences, and orders are adjusted depending on the expected composition of travelers. When projections are off, the company takes significant measures to ensure the menu remains fully stocked, understanding that food is a major part of the guest experience. However, with careful planning, there's typically ample food to satisfy the needs of all passengers throughout the week-long voyage. Once the provisions are loaded onto the ship, they are transported along the ship's secret highway, known as I-95, which runs the entire length of Deck 2. The ship is equipped with approximately 20 different storerooms. These storage areas are divided into freezers, walk-in fridges, refrigerators, and dry stores to keep the food fresh and well organized. Perishable items like seafood, meat, vegetables, and fruits are kept in separate refrigeration units to maintain their quality. Toward the end of the cruise, the stock in these fridges is carefully managed, with only a few essential items like fruit kept in reserve for the final 2 days of the journey. The ship also has 6 freezers, which hold items like the 700 pounds of ice cream consumed each week by passengers. On Deck 1, dry goods are stored, including spices, chocolate, and coffee, ensuring that the ship has ample supplies for every meal served on board. This careful organization allows the crew to manage stock efficiently and ensure that every ingredient is available when needed, even on longer voyages. It's break time! Did you know the Wonder of the Seas offers voyages to both the Caribbean and Mediterranean, with stops at beautiful destinations like St. Martin, Cozumel, Barcelona, and Rome? Guests can enjoy a variety of tropical adventures, historical excursions, and relaxing beach days, as well as exclusive access to Royal Caribbean's private island. Perfect day at Coco Cay. So, do you want to be on this cruise? Share now in the comments below. An elevator system is used to move food between decks, while a dedicated quality team inspects the food daily to ensure freshness and quality. If any produce ripens faster than expected, the chefs creatively repurpose it into other dishes, such as turning broccoli into broccoli cheddar soup to reduce waste. Once the inventory is stored in the ship's storerooms, restaurants on the upper decks place their food orders with the inventory manager. Chefs then receive their supplies, taking them to the kitchens to prepare meals. Everything served on board, from potato fries to salads, shrimp, pastries, and more, is the responsibility of the ship's chefs. A team of 280 chefs works tirelessly, preparing meals 24/7. Each chef typically works 10 to 12-hour days without a single day off during their 4-month contracts. Shifts are divided to ensure continuous coverage, with some chefs starting early in the morning and others working overnight to cover both day and night meal production. The chefs prepare nearly 100 different menus each week, all of which are developed at Royal Caribbean's Miami headquarters. These menus include everything from racks of lamb to hand-rolled sushi, designed to cater to the diverse tastes of Wonder of the Seas international passengers. Twice a day, chefs from each restaurant submit orders for ingredients they anticipate needing for that day and the next. The inventory staff gather these ingredients, which are sent to prep kitchens, where staff work in advance to prepare everything for over 30,000 meals daily. Different prep kitchens specialize in tasks such as butchering beef, preparing seafood, and cutting vegetables. In the bakery, staff prepare around 10,000 desserts and baked goods, including 5,000 mini baguettes, and they use about 250 pounds of sugar daily to create items like Baked Alaska. All the food prepared on board is overseen by the ship's executive chef, who approves every dish before service. With large-scale production, precision is crucial, as meals are prepared for 4,000 lobster tails, 1,000 New York strip steaks, and over 40,000 portions of dessert each night. The main dining room serves over 6,000 guests nightly, with a la carte menus that change daily. Beyond the main dining room, the ship features nearly 40 restaurants, bars, and lounges, offering everything from sit-down supper clubs to buffets and a 24-hour cafe. Cooking on board happens in 36 galleys, including 12 specialty restaurant galleys, where chefs prepare focused menus, such as fresh pasta at an Italian restaurant or 2,000 oysters at the seafood restaurant. However, the main dining room, which spans 3 decks, handles the largest volume of food. Chefs in the butcher shop process 15,000 pounds of beef and 9,700 pounds of chicken weekly, while the kitchen team goes through 2,100 pounds of lobster tails per week, making lobster the most popular dish. In the main galley, the kitchen is divided into sections such as desserts, bread, cold food, and hot food. Chefs prepare 100 types of pastries and 40 varieties of bread from scratch, representing global cuisines. Just before the dinner rush, the executive chef approves each dish, and chefs follow his notes while watching tallies of each dish ordered on screens. This system also tracks how much inventory is used. In the cold kitchen, chefs prepare salads and appetizers, while the hot kitchen handles soups, sauces, sides, and main dishes. The operation involves a team of 1,085 staff, including chefs, inventory crew, waiters, and dishwashers. Together, they prepare nearly 11 million meals each year, all while aboard a moving ship. And now's the answer for the quiz about what type of cuisine does Wonderland on the Wonder of the Seas specialize in. The answer is Molecular gastronomy. Wonderland on the Wonder of the Seas specializes in molecular gastronomy, offering a whimsical and creative dining experience that blends art and science to create visually stunning and innovative dishes. Interesting, right? Thank you for joining us in exploring inside the 24/7 operation to serve 30,000 meals daily on the world's largest cruise ship. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below.